Have you ever witnessed such an exciting show? A show that will kickstart your business idea, that will help you learn new skills. A show that will give you the opportunity to win exciting prizes. So what are you waiting for? Why don't you take the 26-step challenge right now?
Let's talk about the foundation of this inquisitive, marvelous structure, Sir Rajendranath Mukherjee. Let's talk about the young entrepreneurs of the city. For a fact, let's talk about the independent, fearless lady beside my place who makes yummy rasgullas for her independent living. Let's talk about people like you and me who travel in the locals of Shialda and Calcutta. Well, do you know that one thing that runs in their veins and gives electricity to their ribs? That's nothing but the spirit of Korbal Orbo Jeetbore.
My name is Haya Yusuf and I came to Kolkata in 2009. This city welcomed me with its open arms. I finished my school here, I finished my college here, and I found some of my best mentors in this city. Now that I've entered my professional life as an entrepreneur myself, I've collaborated and taken help with many of Calcutta's best entrepreneurs. Calcutta has the best entrepreneurs to offer. They are at the top of their game, and they've made it very easy for me to navigate myself as I become an entrepreneur. So this is all what it's about, how people help, how people collaborate. So stay tuned because Map of Me is coming to your screens every day and we're going to talk about all of this and much more.